Hey guys, Laura here from Budget Music Videos. I am here today to tell you a little bit about us, who we are and what we do. We are a music video production company. We specialize in music videos, but we also shoot other things like events and corporate business videos as well. So if you're looking for a video, please contact us. We can do anything. There's nothing we can't do. When we started Budget Music Videos in 2013, the main aim of the company was to help independent musicians all over the world to have access to videos so they can put them on their social media, YouTube, Facebook, everything, so they can have a really fast route to market for their music. As a successful music video production company, we have grown and we have managed to develop brand new services for our clients. You will now be able to get video marketing, online courses and workshops, financing for your music video, and the pièce de résistance, you will be able to get pre-made, ready-made music videos. So what are pre-made music videos? We have developed a database of ready-made videos with narrative, storyline, good content, 3.5 minute long stock videos ready for you to take home today in 6 minutes. All you have to do is purchase, pick the video you like, and boom, you have a video to show anywhere online to promote your music. And that's what we've developed, and it's awesome. And guess what, people? You will also be able to edit your video. So on our website, you pick your video, you'll be taken to an editing functionality. You'll be able to upload your song, add your titles, change the color, and trim it to fit your song perfectly. And then boom, export it, you're done. If you're an independent musician, if you're financing yourself, or if you're Beyonce, come to us. We are a one-stop shop for everything a musician might need when it comes to video production. Have a look through our website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to chat with us, the online instant chat, and we are happy to answer any questions you might have. Check us out today, budgetmusicvideos.co.uk.